Feeling distant from God? Too busy for quiet time? Don't worry, today I'll show you how to do a simple but powerful devotional that will help you grow spiritually, even in a busy season. You don't need an hour. You just need a few focused minutes with the right heart. What is a devotional? A devotional is simply intentional time with God, where you listen, reflect, and respond to His Word. It's not about perfection, it's about connection. It usually involves 3 parts. 1. Reading Scripture. Reflecting on what it means. Responding in prayer. Part 2. Step-by-step devotional guide. Step 1. Prepare your heart. Find a quiet space. Ask God to speak to you. Step 2. Read the Word. Choose a short passage, 5 to 10 verses. Example: Psalm 23, John 15:1-8, Proverbs 3:5-6. Tip: read slowly. You're not trying to finish fast, you're listening to God. Step 3. Observe and reflect. Ask, what is God saying here? What does this show me about Him? How does this apply to my life? You can jot down your thoughts in a notebook or journal app. Step 4. Respond in prayer. Talk to God about what you just read. Thank Him. Ask questions, confess, or make a commitment. Example: Lord, help me trust you more, just like you said in this verse. Optional Step 5. Worship. Play a worship song and just rest in His presence. Remember, doing a devotional is not about checking a box. It's about building a relationship. God is not after your performance. He wants your heart. Even just 5-10 minutes with Jesus can change the direction of your day. If this helped you, subscribe for more faith-based encouragement and tips. Comment below, what time of day do you prefer to do your devotionals? And don't forget to like this video if you believe time with God is worth it.